Welcome to the 7-Day Cleanse. My name is Althea Lawton-Thompson, and I created this 7-day program to help people release habits and beliefs from the past that no longer serve us while replenishing our body, mind, and spirit in preparation for expansion into all that we can be. For 7 days, you'll engage in intermittent fasting from food, media and electronics, and unhealthy people and habits in a manner that fits into your real life and work. Each day you'll have online access to mirror work, affirmations, self-reflection questions, and journaling activities related to the 7 energy centers and 7 spiritual laws of the day. I'll present daily videos with fasting tips, self-healing support, and guidance for your cleanse. Doing this cleanse many years ago changed me in ways I didn't know I could. Since that time, I've been assisting others in their journey through this cleanse, and I know it can be life-changing for you too. Don't wait to sign up. Just do it and prepare to be brand new.